If your Ring doorbell has stopped detecting motion or isn't sending motion alerts, this guide will help you find and fix the problem step by step. Open the Ring app and select the doorbell that's having trouble detecting motion. Tap the gear icon to open your Ring doorbell settings. In Device Settings, open Motion Settings to review how your Ring doorbell detects movement. First, make sure motion detection is turned on. If it's disabled, your Ring doorbell won't detect movement or send alerts. If motion detection was already on, continue to the next step, because another setting is preventing motion events. The next thing to check is motion zones. If they're too small or incorrectly positioned, your Ring doorbell may ignore movement. Tap Motion Zones to edit the area where your Ring doorbell should detect movement. If your motion zone covers only a small area, people may walk outside the detection zone without triggering your Ring doorbell. Drag the motion zone handles to cover the walkway and areas where you want your Ring doorbell to detect motion. Avoid extending the motion zone over busy sidewalks or roads, which can trigger unnecessary motion alerts. After adjusting the detection area, save your changes before leaving the motion zone screen. Walk through the updated motion zone to confirm your Ring doorbell now detects motion correctly. If motion still isn't detected after adjusting motion zones, the next setting to check is motion sensitivity. Open Motion Sensitivity to control how easily your Ring doorbell responds to movement within the selected motion zone. If motion sensitivity is set too low, your Ring doorbell may ignore people until they're very close to the camera. Move the sensitivity slider toward medium or high, then test motion detection again to see if the issue is resolved. If motion sensitivity looks correct, check Smart Alerts, because they can limit which types of motion trigger notifications. Smart Alerts can detect people, packages, vehicles, or all motion, depending on your Ring model and subscription features. If you're missing important events, enable the alert types you want your Ring doorbell to detect and notify you about. Next, check Motion Schedule, because scheduled quiet hours can temporarily disable motion detection. If motion schedule is active during the current time, your Ring doorbell may ignore motion events until the schedule ends. Turn off motion schedule or adjust the quiet hours so motion detection stays active when you need it. If your Ring doorbell still isn't detecting motion, the next step is checking your battery, Wi-Fi connection, and installation. Open Device Health to check your battery level, Wi-Fi signal, and other information that can affect motion detection. If you have a battery-powered Ring doorbell, check the battery level. Low battery can reduce motion detection performance to conserve power. Some battery-powered Ring models reduce motion activity when the battery is very low, so recharge or replace the battery before testing again. Next, check the Wi-Fi signal. A weak connection can delay or prevent motion events from reaching the Ring app. A stronger Wi-Fi signal provides more reliable motion detection. If your RSSI is poor, move the router closer or consider a Ring Chime Pro. If your Ring doorbell is mounted too high, it may miss people walking close to your front door. If your Ring doorbell still isn't detecting motion after these checks, we'll try a few advanced troubleshooting steps next. Restart your Ring doorbell from the Ring app if your model supports it, or press the Setup button to reboot the device without removing it from your account. Wait until your Ring doorbell finishes restarting, reconnects to Wi-Fi, and appears online in the Ring app before testing motion again. If your Ring doorbell still isn't detecting motion after trying every step, contact Ring support to check for a hardware issue or warranty options.